This week I want to talk about how you're going to paint tiniest pieces without getting all the paint on your fingers. To paint small tiny little pieces like this, either you leave them on the sprue, but now and then that's not possible, or you're going to use some double side tape and popsicle stick. You get them in your hardware store, and then you glue on that tape. You cut it out, and yeah, you see where we're gonna go with that. Now all you're gonna do, you glue that thing on and you paint it, and guess what, no paint on your finger. But this was the tip of this week.